Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Blue Owl Capital. This is ticker OWL. Now here's why you should give a hoot about this stock chart. It's in a well-defined uptrend and above all the major moving averages. And while the rest of XLF has been pulling back down near the 50-day, Owl has been holding up in trend via that 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the blue line here on the chart. Now, for an entry on Owl, what I would like to see is a break above this $25 level coming on volume. We can see how this area has acted as pretty clear resistance over the past couple of weeks. And so we want to see if Owl can get above that level, close above that level, and do it on good volume. And if that can happen, then I think there's definitely something you can do to take action on this idea. So that's a quick one here, just one of many that we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what we're up to, take a trial. Click that link, and I hope to see you on the other side.